kung talagang alam mo na, then why are you broke? If you truly know it, how come you're broke? Di ba parang, nga no. So sabi niya, baka mamaya alam mo lang siya intellectually. You are just inflating your ego with information, but you really don't know what you're talking about.
Mismo.
Sabi ko, oo nga no. Ang nadagdag lang ba sa buhay ko mag-comment sa Facebook? Di ba? Ang nadagdag lang ba sa akin is iparamdam sa yung mas may alam ako sa iyo. Mas makapag-comment ako sa Facebook na quote-unquote alam ko tong pinagsasabi
The
ko.
need to be right.
The need for me to be right and for the need for me to be better than you. But really, I don't know what I'm talking about. Why?
Based on result.
Based on result, it's not showing up in my life. Sabi ko. Yun doon ako make me your intern. Gumanon ako. That time, wala pang internship. Wala pang ganyan, mentorship. Di pa yan super uso nung time na yun. Ang mga mentorship that time, binabayaran. Wala nga akong pera, so anong pambabayad ko? So, sabi ko, just make me your apprentice. So, yung apprentice na yan, anong gagawin mo as apprentice? Gawin mo akong alalay. Huwag mo ako bayaran. Ang kapalit lang, I want to improve me. Kasi tinamaan talaga ako eh. So, to cut the story short, I became an apprentice, di ba? That was the intern now. Kahit walang bayad, ang importante matutunan ko how to improve me. But what I liked the most about that journey was it was not for me to tell other people. Hindi ako pwedeng magsalita sa harap nun. Si Coach Ras nagsasalita na yan nung time ko eh. Pero ako, bawal. Bakit? Based on result. Yun lang sagot nila.
Laging based on result, no?
So sabi niya, why will I allow you to hold the mic? Anong ituturo mo sa mga tao? Paano maging broke? Alam mo yung nasasaktan ka pero di ka pwede makapagreklamo kasi totoo eh, di ba? So ano ituturo? Di ba? Para yan yung di ba? Tuturuan mo na napaka-grabbing love advice. Tapos ikaw mismo, broken-hearted. Ang sakit. So sabi ko, di ako makapagreklamo kahit na gusto ko magreklamo kasi deep inside my heart,
Alam mo.
he was right. So, I took it as a challenge and I took it as a motivation. And I think nung na-meet mo ko, Tio Bray, 5 years ago, it was, I could say, I was in the financial industry during that time. I took it really as a challenge to grow me based on result. And ano lang yung resulta in as far as professional life is concerned. Personal kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng healthy, loving, and fulfilling relationship with yourself. Pwede ka magkaroon ng peace of mind. Okay naman yon, pero sa totoo lang subjective kasi yon, 'di ba? Pwede mong sabihin sa akin na motivated ka, hindi ko kayang kontrahin yon. Pero in terms of professional life, the reason why I love this as a good measure of self-improvement, kasi objective to. Ano yung professional life? Simple lang, pera. Ang 1 milyon sa Luzon, pagpunta mo ng Mindanao, 1 milyon pareho lang. So walang makakakontra sa'yo. So sabi ko, ano ang measure ko to say that I have improved me? Money. My professional life. Because now, it's a mirror. No? Sinasalamin niya kung ano yung tunay. At if I don't have money, how could I say I know what it takes to be successful? Now, nung nagsimula ako, Tio Bray, wala akong pera nun. Diba? Wala ako sa posisyon ngayon na may mga negosyo. Wala ako sa posisyon ngayon, diba sabi ko, I'm the CEO and President of IAM Plus. My consulting firm has been serving 16 companies to date. It is the strategic brain behind 16 companies ngayon, Tio Bray. And I'm proud to say, kaya lumaki itong mga kumpanyang ito because they're using my strategic playbook on business development. Pero nung time na yon, 8 years ago, when I started, wala naman yun lahat. So, but I have to prove it for me. Para masabi ko, itong self-improvement principles, tunay na nagkakatotoo.
Mismo.
Or else, information lang siya sa aking isip, pero I really don't know what I'm talking about.